Hi everybody, how's everybody out there? Hola Gutierrez familia, hola! How is everybody doing? If you look at my picture here, you see the traditional Christmas candles that everybody is doing on YouTube. Yay! They look fantastic, but they all look alike even though they're unique and gorgeous and beautiful. They're all horizontal. None of them have any, they're not really vertical. So that should be a clue right there. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been very busy. I've had to do a lot of stuff this winter, this fall. And I get really sick between December, January, February, March, and April. I get really bad allergies, and the cold just really tears me up. So I can't get out and do the things that I normally would love to do. So let's move along, getting down to all the fun stuff. So why are we here today? I thought I would make my own Christmas candles the way that I remember them. When I was growing up, I thought that Christmas candles had swirls to them. Swirls, they would be spinning, they twirled around. For some reason, that's how I remember them. So I don't know. I guess maybe I don't remember correctly. So anyway, moving along from the horizontal to the vertical swirl type candles, I thought I'd take a stab at them and make what I thought Christmas candles should look like for my family, for me. So the first thing you'll need is paper towel, a tube. If you take the inside of a paper towel tube and then you make a pattern, a swirly pattern, you can look at the tail end of this video and you'll see the patterns that I've chosen and made. And then you cut them out to your desired thickness and width. And then you tape the ends to the top of the candle and the bottom of the candle to keep them stationary. And then of course you apply glitter glue. And then once you apply the glitter glue to the exposed area, then you can add the glitter, the color of glitter that you want, to the glitter glue on the candles, and they stick really good. Now I wanted mine thick and rich, or very glittery, shiny. And I really don't know how to make thin glitter on candles yet, but I might do that later on. At this point, so this is what I came up with. You can see my candles here. They're very glittery, and again, these are decorative candles. They're not to be lit they're not designed to be lit. Now, I thought this is what I remember candles look like, and so this is what I used. Please remember. So anyway, these are my candles. I hope you like them. I hope you decide you want maybe some spinning or swirling candles for Christmas. Something different instead of the horizontal, the tons and tons of horizontal candles on YouTube that I constantly see everyone, but no one has a twirling or spinning or swirly candle like candy canes. Please remember, this is a decorative candles. They are not designed to be lit. Okay, so do not, do not light the wick on these at all. Again, they're decorative. These candles are only for decoration. Okay, you can maybe make some that are different than mine. I don't know, but I'm not going to light these up. These are just so that I can use them and maybe make them and sell them for a small business. Again, I hope you enjoy my decorative candles. I know I have, and I had a lot of fun making them, and I hope you have as much fun making them as I have had making mine. Again, this is just an idea, and I thought I'd go forward with it because I really love the glitter idea, the swirl idea, and the Christmas candle. All right, everyone, have a good day. Bye-bye.